What is going on, YouTube fam? If you are familiar with the channel, this may look a little bit different for you because today I'm riding a live wire. Right off the bat, it feels like a sport bike with the riding angle. Oh my God, it's crazy. I'm sitting here reaching for a clutch. There's no clutch. The power is like instantaneous, I should say. Came over to my local Harley dealership, Baltimore Harley. I want to thank them guys for allowing me this test drive. I want to thank the young lady in front of me. I think her name is Dina, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys are looking for a bike or anything, come, reach out to the good folks over at Baltimore Harley. This is smooth. It right off the bat is weird. I don't have no shift lever, no clutch. It just feels instant power. It's crazy. It feels good though. This thing feels solid. Like, it does not feel cheap or flimsy at all. It's built real good. She's riding a Pan America. That thing looks nice too. The only thing is the riding position for me, like leaning forward. I don't like that too much, but it's comfortable. Like the seating and everything, it's comfortable. Instantaneous power. This thing is just, as soon as you twist the throttle, it goes. I don't know if it's like when you ride a new bike, you like stuff, or you drive a new car, you want a new car, but this feels nice. Total difference of the Lowrider S, and it just, like I said, it just wants to go. You just twist that throttle and oh my God, nice. I like it a lot. The only thing for me would be like handlebars would need to be raised up a little bit higher so I could sit up a little bit more, but like the seat and everything itself is real comfortable. Not bad at all, and it's nimble. You can throw it around. She's probably like, what the hell's this guy doing behind me? It's crazy how quiet it is too. Look at this thing, instant power. Hit some twisties and stuff with it up here coming up in this road. See how that feels. But it feels so good. Like it's right there. Real responsive. I would imagine a lean angle on this thing is ridiculous. Surprisingly, this feels real good, and I actually like this a lot. I can see how people that are fans of this genre or this type of motorcycle would be fans of it. This would be a great commuter, back and forth to work. Nice, real nice. I just can't get over how responsive this throttle is. It's like instant. Crazy. The only thing I can compare it to is like a Tesla. If you've never driven a Tesla, you might not be familiar with it, but with the instant throttle or accelerator response in the Tesla, where it feels like the power band never closes. It wants to keep going. But real nice. It's nice. It's like, it's crazy, like the throttle response, like as soon as you twist it, it wants to go. I feel the 0 to 60. It's crazy. I keep reaching for like, I'm like, there's nothing there. Oh yeah. Man, this is nice. No words. It's just, I started to enjoy the ride. Just, it's smooth too. It's not like over the bumps and stuff. Suspension and everything it feels real good. Suspension feels nice. Like I said, feels real nimble. You toss it around. Man, it's crazy how far technology's come. Especially for the motor company. Like I've been to Milwaukee, to the museum and stuff, and seen where they started and what they started with to now riding a fully electric motorcycle. It's crazy. So I just switched it from cruise mode to sport mode, and yeah, I feel the difference already. Big difference in sport mode. I thought throttle response was crazy in regular riding mode. This sport mode is is even more snappy. This little LCD screen down here is nice too. Has a charge on there, 106-mile range. You got Bluetooth capabilities and stuff. It's nice. Man, this sport mode is crazy. 0 to 60, 3 seconds in sport mode. It's ridiculous. You feel every bit of that 0 to 60 too. Power band on this thing is ridiculous. Oh yeah. Oh my God, this thing is nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign out on this video, guys. I really appreciate you guys. A lot of traction on the channel recently, a lot of subscribers, a lot of views. I truly appreciate every one of you guys. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. You guys should really go out and test ride one of these things. They're nice. You won't be disappointed.